what's the process? When do you start even looking for a loan? Like, is it do you advise that people start before they even find a house, or is this something where once you kind of find the place, you should go and get a loan kind of pre-qualified?
I always recommend that you start with the mortgage lender before you start shopping and getting your heart set on something that may or may not be in your price range. I always usually recommend, if possible, stay with a local lender. That way, there's no excuse of, I didn't get the facts that you sent me. You can actually go into the office, just like Joel, he's right here in Greenwood, bring the stack of papers to him and say, you scan it and you send it off. But yeah, the mortgage lender is like the very first step. You can contact a realtor. I love it when people contact me first, because I have preferred people that I've had experience with working with lenders, and usually your realtor is going to have a list of lenders that they have worked transactions successfully with that they can provide you some guidance on.
Yeah, and just to kind of reiterate on that a little bit, there's nothing wrong with going and seeing Melissa and letting her know what you're looking for, so she can kind of start taking a look at the market and seeing what's going on. But you really want to come talk to a lender first, because if you let's say you go and you find this house and it's $250,000 or $200, whatever it may be, and you love this house and it's everything you ever wanted, and you put in an offer and then you go talk to your lender afterwards, there may be something that came up on your credit you weren't aware of, or your income didn't quite qualify you for that much, and then next thing you know, like, all your hopes and dreams are gone and you're upset. So get with your lender first, make sure you're prepared before you go out and start looking at houses.
Well, even if you are going to be looking maybe next year or 6 months out, I always say go ahead and contact a lender, because like Joel's great about looking at their credit and saying, hey, this is going to cause you some problems. These are some ways that you can go ahead and step up that credit score by doing X, Y, and Z. So it's always a good idea to go ahead as early as you can and start working with your lender to get yourself ready.
Yeah, it's never too early to get in touch with me and let me know what you're looking for. Yeah.